Hi guys, GameAge here today, and we will be building a tow truck. So we will go to this vehicle here, buy it, and go to customizations. And we'll choose this one here. And we'll go through and do all the other customizations that we would need. I'm gonna go no hood. Light bar, snorkel, basically all the things you would need if you went underwater. Winch. We'll go those. Make these green. Put this toolbox because that one doesn't suit. Then we'll put the wide mirrors on it. Now time for upgrades. We'll make it diesel. That won't make it manual. I always hate having to change gears in manual. Tuning. We'll leave it with the base suspension for now. If we need to, we can change the suspension. And that should be it. Okay, so let's go test it out. Let's go, hold on, multiplayer, and we'll go into Rock Park. Let's see how much speed we get. Can't winch to this one. Oh, there we go. They changed. Change? Let's find someone to winch to. No. Great. Okay, let's go up here. This seems to be a pretty capable truck. If you're wondering, yes, this is the 79 car, the one I built the 79 out of. So this is the car I used, and it seems to be pretty capable. It's a big and everything else. And if you haven't noticed, when you put the turbo on, it gives you 2 turbos on the front. But fully, this seems like a good truck to accept. Doesn't seem like a bad vehicle, but thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe, hit the bell so you don't miss a video, and link in the description to my Discord.